afraid. No matter if you're a beginner, if whatever the case is, I think that's one of the biggest things that you can gain from these next 3 days and gain if you come to Icon Collective. You learn so many different perspectives, so many different techniques. There is really no right or wrong when you're making music.
I just want to learn something new, something I don't know. I want to be a sponge, and take everything around me.
To get more experience with the music industry.
Get back into music, man.
I want to build myself more up as an artist. So just being here, being with like-minded individuals.
I'm just starting my music producing career, so here I am.
What brought me here is just the learning experience, all the positive feedback that I would hear from everyone. I'm just ready and excited to learn and see where my music career goes from now.
I make techno.
Tech house, minimal tech house, Latin tech, trying to find my own sound.
What kinds of bass music typically?
Make house music, so I'm here.
I like making house and techno, but I want to make everything in the dance music world.
Do some Tom Phils, okay? Specifically Phil Collins.
Doesn't have to be.
We're going there. Any specific BPM?
115. Yeah.
115? The second your beat got loaded up in here, you became a producer of the session. You make sure that the engineer is on track, that your musician is playing what you want them to play, that it's fitting for what we're doing, right?
Why don't you crank that blue knob up? Let's get a little more volume in the speakers, right?
Sound design. Yeah, the sound design class was really helpful, and can't wait to go back home and dive more into sound design.
Yeah, I took a lot out of that mixing class. A lot of the techniques he used. I'm literally working on it right now. I'm gonna go back on my laptop and work on it. My favorite part that I've learned so far here is the recording process and being able to use the studios.
The lessons are really wonderful, and they've taught me a lot so far. Just try to start a song and finish it and be happy with it, and I thought that was a really great class.
Setting up a whole mix in a studio room.
Everything here, everything I'm learning is blowing my mind. So I'm gonna incorporate everything that I'm learning here.